Hey guys, let's talk about my 5 favorite ways to earn passive income. Coming in at number 1, we have the Crypto.com, where you can earn up to 14% on your US dollar. That is way better than getting up to maybe 1% at your bank or credit union. Now, how do you earn 14%? Well, you got to stake some of their token. You don't technically have to get 10%, but if you want to get the full 14, you got to stake 40,000. If you stake 4,000, you get 12%, and if you don't want to stake any, well, you still get 10%. So that's the easiest thing. So if you don't already have a Crypto.com account, I'll have a link down below that'll give us both some free cash. So check it out and go ahead and start getting yourself at least 10% interest on your US dollar that's sitting around losing money because of inflation. Up next, we have what I call yield farming. So yield farming is kind of trying to find a higher yield and farming tokens for it. So I'll show you a couple cool examples. Number 1, we have Pancake Swap. This is a little further down the rabbit hole. So if you're not into crypto, you might not even know what Pancake Swap is. But Pancake Swap starts with the Binance token. Essentially, you take the Binance token and you send it to a private wallet like a MetaMask or a Trust wallet, and then you can convert that Binance token to Pancake. Yeah, it gets kind of complicated. There's lots of videos on that. But I'm going to make some too. And either way, you can earn 62% auto cake, which means it's automatically recompounding. So it's APY, not APR. The APR is 49. The APY is 63. The reason it's higher is because it's compounding daily. One of my favorite pools right now is Wagyu Swap. If you're not familiar with Wagyu Swap, they're currently doing 258% APY. Now, when this first came out, it was offering an absurd amount of APY. There was a video I made a while back where I was getting 100,000% APY. So whenever the market is chilling, going up or going down, not terribly bad, you're actually still making money because the APY is earning you interest. So that's called yield farming, and you can do some searching on yield farming and see if there's any new farms popping up that might be promising. Coming in at number 3, we have essential services. So I'm affiliated with a company called ACN. I'm an independent business owner. This allows me to sell essential services. Now I'm also a real estate agent. This pairs perfectly with anyone that knows anybody moving. Obviously, real estate agents work with people moving. That's how we make money. You have property managers. You have apartment locators. You have inspectors. You have people in insurance. You have solar salespeople. If you currently have a job where you assist people that are moving or you meet people that are moving, this could pair amazingly because those people are almost always getting gas or electricity. They're always getting internet, sometimes getting television. Sometimes they get home security. Every once in a while they'll get a new phone, and then sometimes they even get identity theft protection, or they bundle a few together. Now we have pretty much some of the better companies like AT&T, Frontier, and Spectrum for internet. Those are the only companies in our area in the entire metroplex. So everyone moving is going to use one of these companies, and it's not like they pay more for going for you. They actually sometimes even get a better deal because we're this huge company that negotiates. Either way, they use you as the concierge, and then you actually get a bonus when they sign on and buy something they were going to buy anyway. And the better part, what makes it passive, is you get a little piece of their monthly payment. So if they stay with Frontier Internet for 20 years, well, you get paid for 20 years every month that they make their payment. So that's freaking awesome. So if you are in some sort of business where you help people move or you see people that are moving, check out my link down below. If you've already done your due diligence and you just want to join, I'd love to help you out, help build your downline. Otherwise, you can schedule a call and we can talk more about it. So coming in hot, number 4, this one does require that you have a real estate license. If you don't have a real estate license, they're really easy to get, and some countries don't even require it. For example, the UK, you don't need a license. But if you live in America, you will need a license, and every state has different licensing requirements. In Texas, you can get a license in less than a month. Here in Florida, you can get it in a couple weeks. I don't know. So different states are going to be easier than other states. Once you have a real estate license, you are eligible to receive real estate commissions. Now what I'm talking about is revenue share through my real estate brokerage, EXP. Revenue share is actually a piece of the commission that the agent receives. So normally when an agent joins a brokerage, they're splitting with the broker. And in this case, the broker's cut is actually shared with, they call them agent attractors. They're recruiters. We're recruiters. We recruit agents. I recruited over 150 agents. And so I get this passive income now because every single one of them, I can earn up to $2,800 per year. Why do I say up to? Because these agents cap at EXP. They, at some point, if they're selling enough real estate, they're earning 100% of the commission. The broker's not getting anything. There's nothing to give us. So, but luckily it resets every year. So if you recruit, higher income agent, you get up to $2,800 a year from it. Now, what gets really cool about it is this has levels and tiers to it. Meaning, if you bring someone to the company, and they bring someone to the company, and they bring someone to the company, and they bring someone to the company, you get paid off of all that. And so it's extremely passive. So it's freaking awesome. So this is the actual percentages of the commission. So if someone gets a $100,000 commission, that's $3,500 to you off the broker's cut. That's what you get is 3.5%. And then it actually goes up to 4.5 plus this 0.5, so it's actually 5%. You can earn up to 5% with people that you don't even know. Like, got recruited by someone who recruited someone who recruited someone who recruited someone. We're the fastest growing brokerage in the world, so everyone's trees are exploding. So if you have any questions about EXP, love to chat, tell you all about it, help you build your downline. I get revenue share leads all the time, and I coach you and stuff for free. So and then fifth and final, this one's a little bit hard. It took me a couple of years to secure. It's called a sugar mama. I'm just kidding. My wife's not a sugar mama, but she makes money. She likes to work, and I can't tell her not to. I mean, I'm fine with it. So every 2 weeks on the dot, I see a paycheck, and I don't have to do any work for it. Maybe the occasional foot rub, stuff like that. But it seems to come in pretty regularly. So I'm quite happy with that. Anyways, what are your favorite income streams? I got 10 more. These were the 5 that I like that are pretty easy for anyone else to pick up. If you guys want to learn about some other income streams, just let me know. Subscribe, like, comment. I'll make a bunch more videos.